This is where the power goes to the transfer panel from this right here. The white, red, black ground is up here. This is a blank post, but there was a nut and washer on it just for security. Removed the Shoreline cord reel. Seemed to have an intermittent on one of the legs. Haven't been able to sort it out completely yet, so it's time to inspect this Shoreline reel. It's a CC50D, CC50D Shoreline reels. And I've just disconnected the actual Shoreline cord that was around this, came around up through the bottom here and connected to those areas there. This is where the cord goes. This is where the cord goes in, and the noise you heard was spinning the reel was gears on the electric motor. We're trying to take this thing apart and check the contacts. The outside cover that had the little red thing on it came off. Once I took all the nuts loose, it came right out. You can see there's insulators on these pieces here. This looked like it was glued in place at one time, or grease. Oh, that's grease. Okay, so that just spins freely there. That's grease. It's probably a dielectric of some sort. And we're going to see what we can do about maybe taking this thing apart from here. Alright, I had to drill out the rivets. When I did, this thing popped out. Does not look like it's burned or arced very much, if any. I'm going to clean those contacts, of course. Inspect them real careful. This is the ring that it runs on. As you can see, there's a lot of contamination places. So I'll get that all cleaned up and shiny. And then we'll know that that's not likely the problem in the future. It was quite a chore getting it apart. It didn't take me an hour to put it back together, probably, or more.